Hello and welcome to the Crypto News Roundup for July 9th, 2021. I'm your host, Bo Troxclair, and my Discover fucking slaps this week, in case you were wondering. Our top story this week, the much anticipated EIP 1559, or Ethereum Improvement Proposal, is locked in and set to be integrated with the main Ethereum chain around August 4th. EIP 1559 will introduce a gas fee burn on all Ethereum transactions and hopefully make gas fees a bit more predictable. One interesting side effect of the upgrade will be that if transaction activity is high enough, the gas burn could outpace token issuance, theoretically making Ethereum deflationary. It likely will not, however, lower gas fees, which have spiked of late. For that, we'll have to wait for the merge to finalize and transition to proof-of-stake system proposed in the ETH 2.0. That is expected later this year or early next, or whenever that slippery bastard Vitalik says it's ready. Maybe by that time, Cardano will actually support smart contracts. F you, Cardano. In less positive news, some economists are raising alarm bells about the Tether stablecoin as a possible vector for market collapse. Fears of this black swan event come after Tether broke down the reserves for its stablecoin in May. The firm revealed that only a fraction of its holdings, 2.9% to be exact, were in cash, while the vast majority were in commercial paper, a form of unsecured short-term debt. In addition, earlier this year, the New York Attorney General's office reached a settlement with Tether and Bitfinex, an affiliated digital currency exchange. The state's top law enforcement officials had accused the firms of moving hundreds of millions of dollars to cover up $850 million of losses. Tether and Bitfinex agreed to pay $18.5 million in the settlement and were barred from operating in New York State. However, the companies didn't admit to any wrongdoing. Tether currently has a circulating supply of around $60 billion and is used to secure assets on a multitude of centralized and decentralized exchanges. This raises the troubling possibility that if the commercial debt held by Tether were to default to a large enough degree, USDT could lose its dollar peg,
causing a market-wide sell-off to recoup billions of dollars in losses, possibly causing a market-wide death spiral to lows unseen for years.
Or everything could just work out. This isn't financial advice. Speaking of giant scams, UFC has signed a 10-year, $175 million partnership with cryptocurrency marketplace Crypto.com this week. Crypto.com will be UFC's first ever global fight kit partner, meaning its branding will appear on the uniform of every UFC fighter who steps into the octagon. The partnership begins this weekend when Conor McGregor faces Dustin Poirier in Las Vegas. And finally, our continuing coverage of the China mining crackdown. The world says,
"Oh bother, oh bother, 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 bother,"
as the Bitcoin mining difficulty experiences the largest difficulty shift in its history, adjusting down almost 28% to bring block times back to approximately 10 minutes. This comes after the massive CCP crackdown on Bitcoin mining in China. Experts expect to see an uptick in mining again as miners relocate to more favorable regulatory environments. Be sure to like the video and subscribe for more news, reviews, and analysis. Leave a comment below with any stories we missed or stories you'd like us to cover in the future. Remember that investing is risky, so always consult your financial advisor before making any big moves. I'm Crypto Bo. Thanks for watching. Stay safe out there.